Whenever I meet people, I always feel I'm meeting another human being. I never consider importance of rank or position, or faith, or different nationality. I simply look at you as a human being, another human being. I myself also, when I meet people, I never consider I'm Tibetan, something different from others or other people. Or I never consider I'm Buddhist. Simply just human being. And I never consider, when I meet people, I am His Holiness 14th Dalai Lama. I never consider. Same human being. I have some reason to stress that humanity today facing certain problems which actually our own creation. Not on the level we are same human being. And deliberately, you see, create some problem. No. Secondary level of differences. Different nationality, different races, different color, different family background, different faith. Then, divisions come. That creates we and they. That's the basis of all these man-made problems. So we, all 7 billion human beings, have the common responsibility to create happier humanity, peaceful humanity, ultimately compassionate humanity.